Team Falcons is the last team to qualify para sa ating MPL Philippines Season 16 playoffs. You know what time it is? Hands in. Ibang klase magmilagro. Who would have thought that in week 1 to 6, sila yung pinakakulelat out of all of the teams. They faced like a 6 or a 7 match losing streak. At kahit sila mismo sinasabi na nila sa sarili nila na hindi sila makakapasok ng playoffs. At super naluha yung iba sa mga players when they went back into the hallway. At sobrang saya nila kasi every time na naglalaro sila, whenever they feel like they're already counting themselves out, meron at meron pa rin mga pumupunta na fans para panoorin sila na umaasang mananalo sila ulit. And in this second round, dito nag-pivot yung Team Falcons. Dito nila nakuha yung momentum nila kasi naging importante yung mga laban na dinahandahan talaga nila para mas lalong maganap yung pwedeng mangyari. In terms of the record, natalo nila ang top 1 Aurora ng isang beses. Natalo nila ang top 2 Onyx ng isang beses. Natalo nila ang Team Liquid ng isang beses, which is top 3. So kung iisipin mo, very capable ang Team Falcons na maapanglason talaga. At yung pinagdaanan nila ay kailangan nilang talunin yung 1, 2, 3, and 4 para makarating sa kung nasan sila ngayon. At kita mo nga naman, no, sinabi ng Team Liquid dati na ang ine-expect nilang maarating sa playoffs ay ang Team Falcons. Tapos tinalo sila ng Team Falcons at yun yung isa sa mga reasons kung bakit hindi sila nakapasok ng upper bracket. Kaya gigil na gigil sina Carl TZ at gustong mag-reset. Pero para sa Falcons, where's their headspace now? What could potentially happen in another edition of the Clash of the Titans?